Welcome to the AI God Mode, unlocking the multi-model coding paradigm. This video explores integrating OpenAI Codex into the Claude code harness. This integration is designed to bypass limits, reduce costs, and enable adversarial code review. We begin by examining the single model blind spot. When one system is responsible for planning, generating, and evaluating code, vulnerabilities can easily compound. This creates an echo chamber effect where the model fails to critically evaluate its own output. To overcome this, we're bringing OpenAI Codex into the Claude Code ecosystem. This involves connecting the Claude Code native environment, specifically the Opus 4.6 engine, with an injected plugin module for Codex using a seamless CLI harness. Competitors are transformed into collaborators. This integration provides two core upgrades: the economic optimizer and the evaluation engine. The economic optimizer routes bulk generation to Codex, preserving expensive Claude tokens. The evaluation engine uses Codex as a secondary vantage point for neutral and adversarial code review. Deploying this dual model harness is straightforward. You install the Codex plugin and then route authentication to your existing ChatGPT browser session. This setup even works with the free tier. Workflow A, the economic optimizer, utilizes Opus 4.6 as the architect for high-level system design and planning. Codex Rescue, acting as the builder, handles the low-cost, high-volume execution and boilerplate generation. The goal is to preserve Opus tokens for architecture by offloading heavy lifting to Codex. Workflow B is the adversarial review. This is where Opus, the creator, outputs code, and Codex, the adversary, is instructed to ruthlessly critique it. The prompt assumes the original coding agent failed and challenges Codex to find and fix hidden cracks. The adversarial pipeline involves 5 steps: parse and estimate, target resolution, prompt construction, server execution, and output formatting. The process culminates in a deeply structured JSON output returned directly to the CLI. The adversarial prompt construction injects 7 critical attack surfaces into the system instructions. These surfaces include authentication, data loss, rollbacks, race conditions, degraded dependencies, version skew, and observability gaps. The output returns actionable data through structured JSON diagnostics. This includes severity, isolation to specific code lines, impact analysis, and precise remediation fixes. This eliminates generic AI text walls. We tested this using a real-world stress test, a multi-service asynchronous web app built entirely by Claude Code. The application is a Twitter engagement/research bot with core logic, database, processing, and output components. In the head-to-head comparison, Codex versus Opus self-review, Codex caught 3 critical structural errors that Opus completely missed. The total findings show that different models catch different vulnerabilities, highlighting the benefit of a multi-model approach. This data confirms the second pair of eyes principle: Codex evaluation plus Opus evaluation is greater than the sum of their parts. Pitting models against each other eliminates the single model blind spot, providing enterprise-grade code auditing directly in the CLI. The ROI of the multi-model stack is significant. Instead of spending $100 to $200 per month to upgrade tiers for bypassing token limits, the God Mode stack leverages a standard $20 per month ChatGPT subscription with Codex integration. This unlocks unlimited execution and adversarial code review. To finalize the architecture, remember the 3-step checklist: plan with Opus, build with Codex using the --Codex Rescue command, and audit adversarially using --Codex Review. Install the harness, break the echo chamber, and deploy with confidence.